Fabricator at A3 Customs. Right here we got this 1969 Camaro. The front end has been a bit of a pain, but we're gonna get it done. So right now we're getting ready to get it put on the rotisserie. First we got the front end knocked out. Everything, the gas pedal, everything that comes in the front is knocked out. I moved on to the inside, got the floor panels knocked out, and the rear end. I do have to do a little bit of trimming on the outside, but it's okay. This is the new parts for the 69 Camaro. Everything is new. We don't have anything from no junk or nothing. Everything from the trunk to the inside to the front is all new. So all I gotta do is just weld it up and tack it in there. Right here is the, this is the floor pan actually. The objective is to just slide it right in there and just weld it right up. So that's really what I want to do, and that's about it. So just stay tuned for more videos on the 1969 Camaro.